In this video, I'm going to show you how to easily apply for a tax file number in under 5 minutes. Whether you're an Australian citizen, permanent resident, migrant worker, or an international student, you will need a tax file number if you want to work in Australia. So firstly, what is a tax file number? A tax file number, or TFN for short, is your personal reference number used for your tax and superannuation in Australia. It's usually a 9-digit number which will be yours for life. Once you receive a tax file number, it won't ever change even if you change your job, name, or move overseas. So why should you apply for a tax file number? Well, firstly, to live in a great country like Australia, you need to pay tax. That is how Australia can build their roads, infrastructure, hospitals, and offer benefits like free healthcare. Having a tax file number also allows you to do your tax online using MyTax. If you have a simple tax return, then you don't really need to pay a tax accountant to do it for you. You could probably just do it yourself on MyTax. Now you may be thinking, what happens if I don't apply for a tax file number? If I don't have a tax file number, then the government can't charge me tax, right? Wrong! You will actually end up paying more tax because any income you receive will have the maximum tax amount withheld from you if you do not provide a tax file number. So it can be as high as 47%. So that includes your salary from a job, bank interest, or any dividends you receive. So if you do have a tax file number, you would most likely be paying a much lower tax rate. Without a tax file number, you also won't be allowed to apply for any government benefits or allowances such as job seeker. So trust me, it's in your best interest to have a tax file number. Do not try to cheat the system. How to apply for a tax file number. To apply for a tax file number, go on Google and type in tax file number, and it should be the first link. Just make sure it's the ATO website and not some other random websites which might charge you a fee to apply. And in Australia, applying for a tax file number is free. So let's click this first link which will bring you to the ATO website. Let's click apply for a TFN. Now there are a few options here and you should pick the one based on your circumstances. I will provide a step-by-step guide on the first 3 options since they are the most popular. I'll leave timestamps down below, so feel free to skip to the section that applies to you. If you're an Australian citizen with an Australian passport, click this option. Now to be eligible to apply online, you must be 15 years or older, have an Australian passport, and be an Australian citizen. You will need another Australian identity document like a driver's license. And lastly, you'll need a strong MyGov ID. If you don't have a MyGov ID, I would recommend you apply for one, especially if you're an Australian citizen. This MyGov ID is a gateway to many government services like Medicare and Centrelink, which you'll be using a lot in your lifetime. To apply for a strong MyGov ID, just follow the instructions here. It's actually quite simple, but it may take a bit of your time. So I've copied a link to this page in the description below where you can follow the steps. You'll need a smartphone, a personal email address, and be 15 years or older. Step 1. Download the MyGov ID app on your smartphone or device. Step 2. Enter your details including your full name, date of birth, and personal email address. Step 3. Choose your identity strength. So you have basic, standard, and strong. You will need a strong MyGov ID to apply for a tax file number. This simply means they require more identification and information from you. And having a strong MyGov ID allows you to access all participating government online services. So it is beneficial for you to have one. So once your strong MyGov ID has been approved, you can come back to this page and click apply online for your TFN. Now you just need to confirm your digital ID using your MyGov ID. So select I have a digital identity and log into your MyGov ID to confirm your identity. Then you need to sign in to your MyGov account or create an account if you don't have one. Once you're logged in, a prompt will ask you to connect your MyGov ID, and from there you complete your tax file number application. You'll receive the tax file number straight away, and your MyGov account will automatically be linked to your ATO online services. So now you can do your tax return using MyTax every year. If you're an Australian resident with no Australian passport, click this option. So this option is for Australian citizens without a passport or if you're a permanent resident. Now unfortunately, you won't be able to apply online with this option. You will need to apply at an Australian post office, at a Service Australia centre, or by post. I think the easiest way is to apply at your nearest Australia post. To do this, you'll need to complete this online form. Just click this link here and follow these steps. It shouldn't take you more than 10 minutes to complete. And once you're done, print the application summary, which will include your application reference number. Then you need to book an interview at a participating Australia post within 30 days of completing your online form. Click this link to find the nearest Australia post from you and book a suitable time. Then you need to attend the interview. Make sure you bring your original identity documents like your passport, birth certificate, or any others on this list. I would recommend you bring at least 3 of these just to make sure. And once you finish your interview, you can sign the application. You should receive your tax file number within 28 days. If you are a foreign passport holder, permanent migrant, or temporary visitor, click this option. So I know a lot of you watching are international students, so this option is for you. You can apply for a tax file number if you meet the following 3 conditions. You are a foreign passport holder, permanent migrant, or temporary visitor. You are already in Australia. Your visa is one of the following: a permanent resident visa, a visa with work rights, an overseas student visa, a visa allowing you to stay in Australia indefinitely. So if you're ready, let's click apply online for TFN using the IAR. Let's click Start. Here you need to fill in your travel documentation. So enter your passport or travel document number. Select your country of origin. I know a lot of Indian students watch my channel, so I'll select India as an example. Have you ever visited Australia before? I would assume it's no for most of you. Now please enter your title, family name, first name, and other given names like a middle name. Please note your name must match the name on your passport or travel document. If you only have one name, enter it in the family name box. Are you known by any other names? If yes, please provide the details. If not, then select no. Then enter your date of birth and gender. Again, all this should match your passport or travel document. Do you have a spouse? I assume most of you are single, so I'll put no for this example. Now if your application has a legit passport number and name, then you'll be able to get into the next steps. However, since I don't have a valid overseas document number to use as an example, it won't let me go to the next steps. However, the next steps are very easy. They will ask you if you've ever applied for a tax file number or lodged a tax return in Australia before, and you should answer no for most of them. Then they will ask you for your address and contact details. You don't need my help for this one, just fill in the information. Then they will take you to a final declaration page where they ask you to confirm if all the information you provided is accurate. Just double check everything and click submit when you're ready. And that's it, you're done. You will receive your tax file number within 14 days. By the way, if you enjoyed this video, comment the word happy down below so I know who you are. And if you're new around here, what are you waiting for, mate? Subscribe to the channel and join this amazing community. I'm going to be making plenty more personal finance videos like this and you don't want to miss them. Also, please don't confuse tax file number with an Australian business number or ABN. You will require an ABN if you want to start a business in Australia. For example, if you'd like to open a cafe, start a cleaning business, or even become a delivery driver for Uber Eats, you will need an ABN. So if you want to learn how to apply for an ABN, check out this video on screen where I'll show you a step-by-step guide on how to do it. As always, thank you for watching, I appreciate you, and I'll see you in the next video.